Hello lovely people, welcome to my kitchen. Today on our challenge we are going to have some cucumber salad with green tea. And so please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Okay, we are going to use 1.5 cucumber. We are going to use a medium size of onions, spring onions. We're also going to make use of lemon, our sweetener, and our canned fish. We are going to use some lettuce and also going to make use of white pepper. Then we'll make use of some 2 eggs, apple cider vinegar, and we'll also make use of our homemade mayonnaise. Check the description box for how to make mayonnaise at home. Healthy and very tasty. And so we are going to use this to slice our cucumbers and our onions. Okay, so my dear, if you are just joining for this challenge, you are not late. All that you need to do is to start watching from day one and then be practicing them, and very soon you will get there. So we are going to add all our cucumbers to our salad bowl. And one thing with this slicer is it also helps to strain the excess water from the cucumbers, because it's also made in a strainer form. It has strainer attached to it. I have a review video on this slicer, so you can watch to also know how it works. Okay, so we are working on our onions, and after we are going to add it to our cucumbers and stir everything together very well. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Follow this challenge one day at a time and you will definitely get there. So we are also going to work on our spring onions, and I'm trying to slice the white parts a bit small, then the green parts a bit huge. Yes, that's what I'm trying to do. I don't have a specific reason for it. I just feel like doing it that way. And so we are adding it to the bowl of the cucumbers, and then we'll stir everything together. We are also going to add our white pepper to it, just a bit of it. Then at this point you can also decide to add your salt to it, but because I made use of the canned fish, I didn't add salt to it. And so after this, I'll stir everything together, and then the next thing is to add lemon juice and apple cider vinegar. And I'm adding because I want some kind of sour taste in my salad, but you can decide to add the lemon juice and the apple cider vinegar to your salad cream and mix. So this is 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice I'm adding to it. Then I'll add half a tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar also to it. As I said, you can add it to your mayonnaise and then mix it together, then you add it to your salad. But I just wanted to add it to the salad straight ahead. I want that kind of sour taste in my salad. I'm adding the sardine oil to it, and because of that I didn't add any salt to it, but hey, you can still add salt if you want to according to your taste. And I'm adding my lettuce. One thing is, I've washed everything. I washed all my ingredients with salt water or salt solution before starting this video. And so we are stirring everything together. Then at this point I'm going to add my mayonnaise to it. Check the description box to know how to make mayonnaise at home. Healthy and very tasty. And so we'll mix everything together, and at this point I'm adding the fish to it. I'll just be tearing it into pieces so that I can mix everything. Then I'll also add slicing my eggs and adding everything together. And so we are done with our salad, and this is our green tea. And as usual, I cannot take my green tea without adding lemon. So I just added 1 sweetener, and I'm going to squeeze the rest of the lemon to my green tea. I really love the taste of the lemon in the green tea. You can give it a try. So we're stirring everything together. Yes, so this is it for today's challenge: a bowl of cucumber salad with some green tea. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Bye bye.
Send me straight the way I'm my man. I saw me boo.